back to my channels. In this session, I'm going to show you how to change your CPU modules in existing projects. So let's just start the video. For the changing CPU, first of all, close all windows. Now simply click the project files and go to change module types and operations mode. Simply clicks and this is your existing CPUs like R CPUs and this is your types. You can select your based on your requirement. Suppose this is our existing project. In this existing project, R0 CPU is already selected, but now I want to change like R04 CPU. So to simply click R04 CPU and simply click OK and click yes. Automatically all settings and modules operations will be changed based on the CPU's models types. Just wait. Okay, all things okay. There is no error. Only warnings is there. So simply click compiles and just check. Okay, there is no error. Now you can check here R04C. Thank you guys.